Okay, I've been here for quite a while and the grass needed cutting. Got 3 lawns. Was told it was so high, half a metre, I was told I'd need a brush cutter, and then I was going to buy a cheap small electric mower, and then I went to Bunnings and the guy convinced me that if you've got long grass you need a decent petrol mower. So I bought this, a Ryobi 190cc, big as a scooter bike, Subaru engine. Yeah, so didn't follow the instructions, but if you follow the instructions it goes together very well, very easily. And I just tried it a few days ago on the front 2 lawns, and the back lawn was the real test. Look at that, thick, tall grass, and it went through it like butter. I'm going to show you just a little bit of what it can do, what a Ryobi can do. And here we are. I keep forgetting to switch it on. You switch it on, you pump prime it a little bit, and a good decent machine should start first time. Here we go. We can slow it down, speed it up. I've got it quite high. Here we go. Speed it up a little bit. Look at that, eh? How easy is that? Like butter. These branches will need to be cut back. Oh, actually it's cutting some of them. Speed it up a little bit, get these branches down. Now there you go, look at that. Now I've gone quite high because I don't want it short, but I'm going to do the short bit here, this grass that's grown on the pavement and the corners. So you simply lift it up. I don't want the lawn very short because I want it to look after itself. Summer's coming and I don't want to have to seed and water it. Just put a little bit of water occasionally, stop it turning to dust because it's Perth and it gets quite long and hot. It's already started actually. Today's the hottest day so far. 26. beautiful after a long cold winter. That's that. Shit. 29. Beautiful. So switch it on. Pull it. Starts first time. Short enough. I'm going to go really short and get these weeds out and the side done. Or when you're finished, you've got to, this is the line feeder, it feeds the petrol into the engine. You switch it off. When you're putting it away, you've got to wash it. Easy to wash. Stick your hose in there and it washes it all up, and spray it down, put it in the shed. It's fine. Oil here, check the oil. It's very important to check the oil. It's on full right now. Is it on full? Or do I have to go and get some oil? Because that's the biggest problem. You've got no oil, you burn your engine up. And I don't think it's got oil in it. I'm not going to switch it on if it hasn't got oil in it. No, it has, yeah, it's full actually. It's full. And the petrol here. It's supposed to be at that red line, just a little bit low. That's okay if that runs, but not if the oil runs. If it runs out, you get some more. In fact, I'll get some more just in case I'm halfway through a job. Turn it on, put it up. We're quite short now. Let's get it very short to the edges. Turn it on. Don't need to pump around it, primed it already. What an amazing little machine. I say little, as I said, it's as big as a scooter engine, 190cc. So I might leave it at that length. I'll have to cut the branches back, get underneath it. But this would have taken me ages with a spade. And now I'll just clean it up with a spade and brush. Get it a little bit lower. And there you have it, problem solved. Go over it once a week. I could even get a physical mower, get some exercise in, and do this. Use this. It's been around about 4 years. I'm going to have to find a way of sharpening the edges, just for a bit of exercise. I'll fix it up. But there you go. A Ryobi. Whoops. 190cc. Just give it a spray down, and as I said, in the nozzle, run it. There's the nozzle. Put the hose pipe in it, run it, over the grass, save water. Well, reuse the water. And there you go. What a fantastic little machine in a messy bloody garden.